Vrishabhanu Maharaj and others bless Krishna and offer him golden trays with clothes and ornaments. This is birthday gifts. Kirtida Mata and elderly ladies with motherly love, they offer their gifts and they bless Krishna. And Sri Radhika offers Krishna a golden tray with clothing and ornaments. And then she hangs a jeweled necklace around his neck, something that she could never do in Yavat. In the same way, Chandravali and other Yuteshris offer their different presents. Krishna is getting necklaces from all sides. Then Krishna donates a milk cow with a calf with gold-plated horns and silver hooves, bedecked with a jeweled inlaid golden cloth and several ornaments to Bhagwari Rishi. He's a priest, he's a Kula Guru. Nanda Maharaj also gives thousands and thousands of cows in charity to the Brahmins. And Krishna descends from his Sringhara Vedi and he offers obeisances to Purnamasi Devi. Jai ho Purnamasi Ma, Jai ho, Jai ho. Dandavat, Dandavat. Purnamasi ki Jai ho. Jai ho Ma, Jai. And the other Brahmins. Then Krishna goes and bows down to his mother and father, and to Vrishabhanu Baba and Kirtita Mata, and to all the superiors who are just like his mother and father. So beautiful. Krishna Bhagavan. This is called Sadachar, behavior. Vaishnav Sadachar. Sadachari, proper behavior. Krishna's going and bowing. Here he's getting all necklaces and gold trays, and everyone's worshipping, and he's the cynosure of everyone's eyes, and everyone's looking at him, and worshipping him, and offering him durva grass, and the rishis are offering him durva grass, Magori Muni, Magori Rishi. And he's the center of all puja, and Aradhya Dev. Sarva Aradhya Devata Sri Krishna. And then when that's done, he says, okay, fine, thank you. Then he gets off the Sringhara Vedi, and all the puja is over. Then he goes and humbly offers obeisances at the feet of his mother and father, and the feet of Vrishabhanu, the king of Barsana, and his queen, Kirtidama. Then he offers obeisance to Purnamasi, the yogini, the Adi Guru, the yogini of all Braj, Purnamasi. This is the beauty of Krishna Lila. Then Krishna is called by Mother Yashoda to come to the dining room with his friends to take a snack. Sri Radha and her girlfriends and Yuteshris also take a snack, after which Mother Yashoda engages them in cooking. Very clever manager. Here, please eat something nice. It's nice, you enjoy it. Now go cook a big feast. There seems to be a system here. Feed and work. You eat, now work. Meanwhile, hundreds of Brahmins are engaged elsewhere in cooking large amounts of food. Yashamati comes to inspect all the preparations and orders Madhamangal to offer them to Narayan. And Madhamangal comes and he offers a little bit of each preparation to Lord Narayan. And what he did with the rest, we don't know. After Bhoga, he performs arti and then he puts the deity to rest as he did the day before. Then on different courtyards, they play a game. It's called Dari Kada. Do you know Dari Kada? Dari Kada? You don't know. On the outer courtyard, Sri Nanda plays Dari Kada with Vrishabhanu and his brothers, and all the elderly cowherd ladies in another courtyard. And then Balaram and the cowherd boys, they become mad while playing Dari Kada. What is Dari Kada? It means rubbing yogurt all over the place. Vrishabhanu smears yogurt all over the face of Nanda Maharaj, and Nanda Maharaj and Vrishabhanu Maharaj. And Kirti smears it on her face and the arms like this, like that. And so Krishna's playing and everyone's just smearing everybody with yogurt. Prem se, prem se, prem se, prem se, prem se.